everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make laulau.
You will need carrot leaves, pork belly, beef, soy sauce, foil, and a pot for steaming. This is what carrot leaves look like. This is approximately 1 cup of soy sauce divided, some pork belly, and some beef. I have already pre-cut the foil to the size that I need. You will also need a good sized pot with a steaming basket for steaming the laulau. The first thing you want to do is cut out the stem and the large veins from the carrot leaf. Some people will eat the stem, but I prefer to cut it off. It just makes wrapping the meat easier. I also like to cut the leaves into smaller pieces. Again, it just makes wrapping the meat easier and quicker. Next, you will want to wash the leaves. Don't worry about the little imperfections on the leaves, but do discard the leaves that are badly discolored. Cutting the leaves down to a smaller size makes them easier to handle. Now we are going to cut the pork belly and the beef into 1.5-inch cubes. I like using 2 separate bowls for this process. That way I don't have to guess which pieces are the beef and which pieces are the pork. Okay, I've got my pre-cut foil in the sizes that I need, my beef, and my pork. I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of soy sauce to each bowl and mix well. If you don't have soy sauce, you can use salt. Just sprinkle it over the meat and you should be good to go. So you're going to take about 6 to 8 pieces of taro leaf and put 4 pieces of beef and 4 pieces of pork into the center of the leaves. Then you're going to wrap it up into a small ball like so. Then you're going to take a piece of foil and wrap that small ball up into a nice little package. You're going to steam the laulau for 4 hours, checking the water level every 30 minutes to making sure that the water does not run out. Okay, it's been 4 hours. Let's check it out. Here it is. Look at that. Perfect size laulau for the perfect meal. Nice and tender. Beautiful. There you have it, folks. Laulau. Delicious.